This is the dash off a 67 El Camino. It is gross. Where's the plugs go? There's the plug to part of the heater box. Easily snapped off. There's the wiring harness.
The brake pedal.
Brake pedal.
And something else.
Maybe parking brake? No.
That was over here. This is the steering column and a something else. Oh, this was the ribbon. This goes to the ribbon in the back.
Okay, ribbon in the back.
And then I'll just unscrew the fuse block and take it with it.
Fuse block over there. The left of the pedals.
This one wire disappears behind each side.
Those wires go to the light.
Door switches.
Door switches.
Yeah.
There and there.
And that'll do it.
That'll do it. Let's unplug shit.
Okay.
Cut.